Most people think beautiful skin begins with expensive products. But in Japan, many people believe beautiful skin begins almost 2 hours before you even fall asleep. Because while the rest of the world is busy adding another cream, another serum, another step, Japanese evening rituals quietly prepare the body to repair itself overnight. And that changes everything. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 Japanese night rituals that make skin look naturally healthier, calmer, and younger, without turning your bathroom into a beauty store. But stay with me until ritual number 8. Because it reveals something that has nothing to do with skincare at all. Yet Japanese wellness has understood for generations that it quietly shapes the face you wake up with tomorrow. Let's begin. Before we talk about skincare, you need to understand one important Japanese belief. In Japan, beautiful skin isn't something you force. It's something you protect. Their goal isn't to fight the skin every night. Their goal is to remove everything that prevents the skin from repairing itself naturally. The Japanese have a name for the hours between evening and dawn. They call it the golden time of the skin. Not because of magic, but because nighttime is when the body's repair systems work without interruption. That simple understanding changes every habit you're about to see. Ritual number 1. Slow down before you touch your face. For many people, the evening looks something like this. You answer one last email, scroll through social media, brush your teeth, wash your face as quickly as possible, and fall into bed. Your body arrives, but your nervous system is still running. Japanese evenings often begin differently. Many people intentionally create a quiet transition between the busy world and the peaceful world inside the home. Shoes come off. Lights become softer. Voices naturally become quieter. Nothing dramatic happens. But your body receives a very clear message. The day is over. Why does this matter for your skin? Because stress hormones don't disappear the moment work ends. When cortisol stays elevated late into the evening, your body focuses on staying alert. Instead of repairing itself, skin recovery slows. Inflammation quietly increases. Even expensive skincare products can't completely overcome a body that still believes it's in survival mode. Sometimes, the best skincare step is simply allowing your mind to arrive home first. Ritual number 2. Wash with warm water. Not hot. It sounds almost too simple. But in many Japanese homes, the goal isn't to make the skin feel squeaky clean. Because skin that feels tight after washing is often skin that has lost too much of its natural protective barrier. Hot water strips away oils your skin actually needs. At first, your face may feel cleaner, but over time, it can become drier, more sensitive, and even produce extra oil to compensate. Japanese skincare takes a gentler approach. Warm water. Gentle cleansing. No rushing. No scrubbing. The skin isn't treated like something dirty. It's treated like living tissue that deserves respect. Luxury doesn't always feel stronger. Sometimes, luxury feels softer. Ritual number 3. The last thing your skin should feel is moisture. Skin slowly loses moisture while you sleep. For 6 to 8 hours. Your face is exposed to dry indoor air conditioning, or heating. That's why Japanese nighttime routines almost always finish with hydration. Not heavy. Not sticky. Just enough to protect the skin barrier before the body begins its overnight work. There is a beautiful Japanese concept for the ideal skin condition. Mochi hada. Skin is soft, smooth, and gently bouncy as a fresh rice cake. That texture isn't achieved by force. It's achieved by consistent protection. Night after night after night. Your skin doesn't need to be transformed every evening. It simply needs to be supported. Ritual number 4. Change into sleep mode. Before bed. This one surprises many people. Japanese evening routines often include changing into comfortable sleepwear much earlier than bedtime. Not because pajamas improve skin, but because changing clothes signals something deeper. Your brain begins separating work time from rest time. Your muscles relax. Your breathing slows. Even your posture changes. Researchers have found that consistent bedtime routines help activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part responsible for recovery and repair. And that's exactly when your skin begins its overnight work. Your skin doesn't regenerate because it's midnight. It regenerates because your body finally feels safe enough to repair itself. Ritual number 5. Warm the feet to calm the face. This is perhaps the most distinctly Japanese ritual on this list. In Japan, many people practice something called a shiyu. Before sleeping, a short foot soak in warm water. At first, it sounds unrelated to skincare. But your feet contain some of the body's most sensitive pressure points. Soaking them in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Draw circulation away from the head, gently relieving the facial tension that accumulates from hours of screens, stress, and expression. Your cheeks soften. Your jaw unclenches. Your forehead releases. Research has shown that warming the feet in the evening supports faster sleep onset by helping the body redistribute heat more efficiently. And the skin that repairs itself during deep sleep repairs more completely when the body has been given a chance to truly let go. Ritual number 6. Release the face before you rest. In Japan, there is a quiet awareness that the face holds the day. Every conversation, every moment of concentration, every hour spent squinting at a screen. By evening, the muscles of the face have been working for hours. Many Japanese wellness routines include a few minutes of gentle facial awareness before sleep. Not massage for beauty, but a conscious release of tension that has built up throughout the day. Soft pressure across the forehead. A gentle touch along the jaw. Slow movements down the neck. The goal isn't to look younger. The goal is to arrive in sleep without carrying unnecessary tightness into the night. Because skin that rests on a relaxed face rests very differently from skin that holds the day's tension all the way until morning. Ritual number 7. Sleep on a clean pillowcase. Your face spends nearly 1/3 of your life resting on that fabric. Night after night. Oil, sweat, dead skin cells, and tiny particles quietly build up. Japanese homes often treat pillowcases the same way they treat towels. They're refreshed regularly. It's such a small habit. Yet your skin notices the difference long before you do. Sometimes luxury isn't buying something new. It's keeping the things you already own beautifully clean. Ritual number 8. End the day with gratitude, not stress. Many Japanese families have small evening rituals. A quiet cup of tea. A few peaceful moments. A simple thank you for the day that has passed. It isn't about religion. It's about giving the mind permission to let go. Because the body that falls asleep peacefully repairs itself more completely than one that drifts into unconsciousness, still carrying the weight of everything unresolved. There is a Japanese principle called kansha, quiet gratitude. Not performed for anyone. Simply felt. Because the face you wake up with tomorrow is often shaped by the thoughts you carried into sleep tonight. Beautiful skin isn't only created by skincare. It's created by better evenings. One peaceful night. becomes another, then another, until the life you're quietly building at the end of each day begins to show up on your face. Maybe that's the real Japanese secret. Not chasing beauty, but creating a life where beauty naturally appears. Which of these 8 rituals do you think you'll actually try tonight? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if someone you know is spending a fortune on skincare while falling into bed exhausted every night, share this with them. Because sometimes the most generous thing you can offer someone is a more peaceful way to end their day.